Hello and welcome to Puran Study. Understanding every Indian state and union territory. India is a federal union comprising 28 states and 8 union territories for a total of 36 entities. We will discuss about each state and its geography, population, languages, religion, capitals, cities, cuisines and places of attraction. For more convenience, we will divide this video in 4 parts in alphabetical orders. Links of other videos will be in description box below, and if you like the video, please subscribe to the channel. First, Andhra Pradesh. Andhra Pradesh is a state in the southeastern coastal region of India with 1,62,975 square kilometers of land area. It is the 7th largest state by area in India. It has population of 50 million. Andhra Pradesh is the 10th most populous state of India. Telugu is the official and most spoken language. Around 90% people speak Telugu, followed by Urdu 7% and Tamil 1% of the population. 91% of people are Hindus, around 7% Muslims and 2% people are Christians in Andhra Pradesh. Its capital is Amravati. Largest city in Andhra Pradesh is Visakhapatnam. And other main cities in Andhra Pradesh are Vijayawada, Guntur, Nellore, Kurnool. Agriculture is the largest and major occupation of Andhra Pradesh, and fishing is another important occupation here. Andhra Pradesh is known for its spicy food, and main cuisines are pulihora, chipla pasulu, pesarattu, biryani, and sweet like uttarikalu. The state has several beaches and hill stations like Araku Valley and Horsley Hills. Various religious pilgrim destinations such as Tirumala Temple, Kanakadurga Temple, Amravati, etc. Next, Arunachal Pradesh. Arunachal Pradesh is a state in the northeastern part of India. It has international borders with Bhutan, Myanmar, and a disputed border with China in the north at the McMahon line. It is one of the most diversified states in India by language, religion, and ethnic groups. With 83,743 square kilometers of land area, it is the 14th largest state by area in India and the largest state of 7 sister states of northeastern India by area. It has population of 1.3 million people and it is the 3rd least populated state of India. English is the official language here and most spoken languages are Nishi, Adi, Bengali, Hindi, Nepali, Bhutia, Assamese and many more other languages. Main religion in Arunachal Pradesh are Christianity 31%, Hinduism 29%, Buddhism 12% and other local religions 29%. Its capital and largest city is Itanagar. Other main towns are Pasighat, Jiro, Tawan, etc. Major occupation of people of Arunachal Pradesh is agriculture and handicraft. Main staple food of the state is rice. Other cuisines are bamboo shoot, pikapila, chura sabji, apong, one kind of rice beer and is one of the most important traditional drink of Arunachal Pradesh. The whole state is covered in natural beauty and tourism friendly, but Indians from other states need inner line permit (ILP) to travel to Arunachal Pradesh. Next is Assam. Assam is a state in northeastern India situated south of eastern Himalayas along the Brahmaputra and Barak river valleys. It has international border with Bhutan and Bangladesh. With 78,000 square kilometers of land area, it is the 16th largest state by area in India. It has population of nearly 31 million people and it is the 15th most populous state of India. Assamese is the official language of the state. Additional official languages include Bengali and Bodo languages. Most spoken languages are Assamese 47%, Bengali 28%, Bodo 5%, Hindi 3% and many more other languages. In Assam, 62% people are Hindus, while 34% are Muslims and 4% are Christians. Its capital city is Dispur and largest city is Guwahati. Other major cities Dibrugarh, Koalpara, Dhubri, Nagaon, Tezpur, Jorhat, Silchar. Agriculture is the major and main occupation of the people of Assam and forest is another source of income, mainly bamboo and timber. Traditional Assamese foods include khar and tenga, means tangy flavor. Some Assamese cuisines are duck meat curry, aloo pitika, masoor tenga, chhaka, shak and home cooked sweet dishes like pitha. Assam is known for its wildlife tourism. Kaziranga National Park and Manas National Park are in Assam. Assam is home to the one-horned Indian rhinoceros. Bihu is the most important and common festival celebrated all over Assam. The Bihu dance is an indigenous folk dance from Assam. Next is Bihar. Bihar is a state in eastern India. It has international border with Nepal to the north. With 94,163 square kilometers of land area, it is the 12th largest state by area in India. It has population of nearly 104 million people and it is the third most populous state of India. Hindi and Urdu are the official languages of the state. Majority of the speakers speak Bhojpuri, Magadhi, Maithili and Urdu. The main religions in Bihar are Hinduism, practiced by nearly 83% of the population and followed by Islam 17%. Bihar's capital and largest city is Patna. Gaya, Bhagalpur, Muzaffarpur, Purnia, Darbhanga are other major cities in Bihar. The major occupation in Bihar is agriculture and production of silk. Dishes for which Bihar is famous includes Bihari kebab, litti chokha, Bihari boti, Bihari chicken masala, sattu paratha, chokha and posta dana kalha halwa. Bihar is home to many tourist attractions, mainly historical places and monuments, which goes back to thousands of years and is visited by a large number of tourists from all over the world. Mahabodhi Temple, Ananda Stupa, Nalanda are in Bihar. There are several traditional styles of painting practiced in Bihar and one of them is Mithila painting or Madhubani art. Next is Chhattisgarh. Chhattisgarh is located in the central east of India. With 1,35,191 square kilometers of land area, it is the 9th largest state by area in India. It has a population of nearly 32 million people and it is the 17th most populous state of India. The official languages of state are Chhattisgarhi and Hindi. Chhattisgarhi 62% is the most spoken language in Chhattisgarh, followed by Hindi 11%, Surgujiya 7%, Gondi, Halbi, Oriya, Sadri, Kuruk. Hinduism is the most practiced religion in the state with 93% followers, followed by Islam 2%, Christianity 2%, Sikhism, Buddhism, Jainism. Chhattisgarh's capital and largest city is Raipur. Other major cities in Chhattisgarh are Bhilai, Bilaspur, Rajanandagaon, Raigarh. Agriculture is the main occupation in Chhattisgarh and working in mines is another important occupation for people of Chhattisgarh. In Chhattisgarh, most of traditional and tribal foods are made of rice and rice flour, curd and a variety of green leafy vegetables. Some famous dishes of Chhattisgarh are muthia, amat, chhela, bhajia, sabudana ki khichdi. Chhattisgarh, situated in the heart of India, it is full of ancient monuments, rare wildlife, waterfalls, hot springs, caves, temples, dams and national parks, tiger reserves. Amritdhara Falls, Chitrakoot Falls are there in Chhattisgarh. Next state is Goa. Goa is a state on the southwestern coast of India within the region known as Konkan and geographically separated from the Deccan Highlands by the Western Ghats and the Arabian Sea forming its western coast. With 3,702 square kilometers of land area, it is the smallest state by area in India. It has a population of nearly 1.5 million people and it is the 4th least populated state of India. Konkani is the sole official language of Goa, but Marathi may also be used for all or any of the official purposes. Konkani is the most spoken language, 66%, followed by Marathi 11%, Hindi 10%, Kannada 5% and Urdu 3%. Hinduism is the most practiced religion in Goa, 66%, followed by Christianity 25%, Islam 8%. Panaji is the capital city of Goa and Vasco da Gama is its largest city. Other cities are Margao, Marmagao. The main occupation of the people of Goa is fishing and due to heavy tourism in the state, many people are connected to tourism industry. Rice with fish curry is the staple food in Goa. Other cuisines are sorpotel, Goan pork vindaloo, sorak, fish ricardo, etc. Goa is one of the most sought after travel destinations in India. It is visited by a large number of international and domestic tourists each year for its white sand beaches, nightlife. Dudhsagar waterfall is in Goa. Next is Gujarat. Gujarat is a state on the western coast of India with a coastline of 1600 km. It has international border with Pakistan. With 1,96,024 square kilometer of land area, it is the fifth largest state by area in India. Gujarat has a population of nearly 60 million people and it is the ninth most populous state of India. Gujarati is the official language of the state. It is spoken by natively 86% of state's population. Other languages spoken here are Vili, Hindi, Sindhi, Marathi and Urdu. The religious makeup in Gujarat is 87% Hindu, 10% Muslim, 1% Jain, 0.5% Christian and 0.1% Sikh. Gandhinagar is the capital city of Gujarat and Ahmedabad is the largest city of Gujarat. Other major cities in Gujarat are Surat, Vadodara, Rajkot, Bhavnagar, Jamnagar, Junagadh. The major occupation of people of Gujarat is agriculture and dairy farming, mainly milk production. There are a lot of industries which are involved in the production of fertilizers and petrochemicals and diamonds. Gujarati food is mainly vegetarian. The typical Gujarati thali consists of roti or thepla, dal or curry, khichdi, bhat and shak. Some famous Gujarati dishes are thepla, kadvi, muthia, hanvo, fafda jalebi, khagda, dhokla, dahi vada, etc. Gujarat has many tourist destinations. India's largest salt desert, Great Run of Kutch, is in Gujarat. It is the sole home of pure Asiatic lions in the world. Statue of Unity, world's tallest statue, is in Gujarat. Religious sites play a major part in the tourism of Gujarat, which includes Somnath Temple, Dwarkadish Temple, Aksharadham Temple, Vasai Jan Temple, Jama Mosque, Mahabhat Maqbara and many more. India's father of nation, Mahatma Gandhi, is from this state. And one more thing, the government of Gujarat has banned alcohol since 1960. Next state is Haryana. Haryana is located in the northern part of the country. With 44,212 square kilometers of land area, it is the 20th largest state by area in India. Haryana has a population of nearly 25 million people and it is the 18th most populous state of India. The official language of Haryana is Hindi. Several regional languages, mainly Hindi dialects, are spoken in the state. Predominant among them is Haryanvi. There are also significant numbers of speakers of Urdu and Punjabi. Hindus 88% constitutes the majority of the state's population, followed by Muslims 7%, Sikhs 5%, Jainism and Christianity. Chandigarh is the capital city of Haryana and Faridabad is its largest city. Other major cities are Gurugram, Panipat, Ambala, Rohtak, Hisar, Karnal. In Haryana, agriculture is the main source of income and milk production is another important source. Haryana's staple food is roti and rice. Few famous dishes are mixed dal, hara dhania cholia, malpua, bajra khichdi, bhatua raita, rajma chawal. Curd, lassi, buttermilk and sharbat are part of everyday Haryana food. Haryana has historical, natural tourist destinations. Kurukshetra, where the great battle of Mahabharata happened. Rohtak, Sultanpur Bird Sanctuary, Morni Hills, Damdama Lake are some famous places in the state. Haryana is also known for its sports enthusiasm, mainly Kushti and boxing. In 2010 Commonwealth Games at Delhi, 20 out of 38 gold medals that India won came from Haryana. Next, Himachal Pradesh. Himachal Pradesh is a state in the northern part of India situated in the western Himalayas with extreme landscape featuring several peaks and extensive river systems. The state has a border with the Tibet Autonomous Region. With 55,000 square kilometers of land area, Himachal Pradesh is the 7th largest state by area in India. It has a population of nearly 6.8 million people and it is the 20th most populous state of India. Hindi is the official language of Himachal Pradesh and Sanskrit is the additional official language of the state. Most of the people, however, speak natively one or another Pahari languages known as Himachali, which includes Mandeli, Chambeli, Kangri, Kullu, Bilaspuri, Mahasur, Pahari. Hinduism is the predominant religion in the state. 95% of people follow Hinduism, followed by Islam 2%, Sikhism 1% and Buddhism 1%. In Himachal Pradesh, Shimla is the largest city and the summer capital, and Dharamshala is the winter capital. Other major cities and towns are Solan, Nahan, Mandi, Kullu, Manali. Common occupations of the people of Himachal Pradesh are agriculture, pastoralism, horticulture, tourism and forestry. Himachali cuisine has influence from Punjab and Tibet. Some of the famous dishes are Madra, Tham, Turkiya, Bhat, Chha Ghost, Siddu, Kale Chane ki Khatta, Himachal is one of the most scenic state of India. It attracts tourists from all over the world, famous for its hill stations like Shimla, Manali, Dharamshala, Dalhousie, Chamba, Khajjer, Kullu, and Kasoli. Himachal is also known for its adventurous tourism activities like ice skating, paragliding, rafting, skiing, boating, trekking. Link of the next part of the video is in the description box below. Thank you for watching this video, and please like, share and comment on this video, and please subscribe to the channel. A sub would greatly motivate us to make better and more videos for you. Thank you, and please subscribe.